Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can transfer Bitcoin from CEX.io to another wallet. So here is a step number one. You have to log into your CEX.io account. So you just have to go to this link right here, which is the https cex.io. You have to search that on your browser and then just enter your email and password. You can click on sign in or register if you don't have an account yet. Then you just have to complete the 2FA if enabled. And then step number two is go to the finance or wallet section, which is in here. And then find the Bitcoin or the BTC and the list of the cryptocurrencies. So just like this one, BTC, you have to click on that. And then just click on withdraw next to the Bitcoin or the BTC. So from here, let's say for example, this is BTC, you have to click on withdraw and a withdrawal form will just appear right after you click on that. Step number four is enter the destination wallet address. So copy the BTC wallet address from external wallet that you want to send to. So let's say for example, you want to send to Trust Wallet, Binance, or even Ledger. And then you just have to paste it into the BTC address field onto the CEX.io. And then you have to double check that it's a Bitcoin address, not any other crypto. Since if you're gonna make mistakes, it's just gonna go to waste. And then you have to specify the amount of BTC that you want to send, and then make sure to consider the network fee, which will be displayed on the screen. And then lastly is to confirm the withdrawal. So you just have to click on withdraw or proceed. And then you might be asked to confirm the transaction via email confirmation or 2FA code. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!